Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off those annoying advertising pop-ups that sometimes show up in Windows 11. If you find them distracting or just don't want Microsoft sending you ads on your own computer, then this video is for you. Let's get started. First, let's navigate to the Settings menu. You can do this by clicking on the Start button and selecting the gear icon for Settings. Once in Settings, locate and click on System. In the System menu, find and select Notifications. Toggle off the switch for notifications from apps and other senders. Scroll down to Additional Settings and click on it. Uncheck the boxes of all three options that you find there. These are: show the Windows welcome experience after updates, and when signed in to show what's new and suggested. Suggest ways to get the most out of Windows and finish setting up this device. Get tips and suggestions when using Windows. And there you have it, no more annoying advertising pop-ups disrupting your workflow on Windows.